blown in. It is about 4:30 in the afternoon, and there's a crazy gale force wind and wow, can you see that? Look at this. Look at this song. Oh, did you just see that lightning? That was like right in front of you. No, step back. Step back. That was right in front of you, that lightning.
I know.
Wait for thunder. They say
I'm thinking
that if thunder is
I'm not going.
see all the water, flash flooding coming down there. It's so dark, even though it's the afternoon, it's like it's dusk, but it's not. Well, I suppose those are gale force winds, rain, hail and thunder. Oh. Lots of water, puddles. Sounds like an engine roaring. Those trees are really blowing. Hi, Arrow. You're safe in there. Why is there a cushion here? That must be from the chair.
I'm videoing you.
Good to you.
There's Sonic, there's Shadow, there's Tails, there's Dr. Eggman, and Slim.
Hi everyone, it's been a really great week here. It is now actually almost a week later since that last video was filmed, and this is our last day here, and we're heading back home tomorrow, and little Cedar and I are going for a walk. Hi! So we're going for a walk. I thought I will just, before I end this video, I know it's probably getting long, but I thought that I would show you where we actually lived for a couple of years. Just a quick, I won't really show you much of the inside, I'll just show you where we lived for a couple of years. We lived there for about 2 years, and that's where we were living before we moved up to where we are now. Cedar's such a cutie. You're so cute in there. If you look out there, there's some of my sister and brother-in-law's sheep. And if you look way out there, you can actually see it's raining in the distance out there. There it is. That is the old farmhouse where Luke and I lived. We had 4 kids when we lived here. Number 5 was just on the way when we moved from here. So I'll just give you a closer look. My parents are growing lots of fruit trees in this yard too. They kind of run out of space in their yard and they've gone to this yard. There's some garlic growing there. Well, I gotta watch where I'm treading. I just trod down a hole. I think there's some old quince trees. That's a poor lemon tree. Citrus doesn't really grow down here. It's too cold. The apples do really well. So there's a fruit orchard. Well, the second fruit orchard. Here's the house. So it's a bit of a dead spot here. There's no phone signal. Sometimes you can get 1 bar of phone signal, and which means we don't really have Wi-Fi. So Luke didn't really like living here because we couldn't really pick up very good internet. It kept dropping out all the time and pretty dodgy phone signal. But here it is. Here's where we used to live. That's out the back. What do you think, Cedar? Cedar never lived here. Did you, mate? No, you're a tiny kid. He never lived out here. There it is. So I really hope that you enjoyed this week's video and you enjoyed seeing where I grew up and where my parents are still living, and this is where we come pretty much every school holidays. We come here unless we're going somewhere else. We come here, so for about a week or so we'll come here. So yes, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week in another video. Please leave a comment and like our video. Bye. Say bye.